Hi friends, my name is Krish. I am 5 years old. I read in class KG. My school name is Laboratory School, and today I'm going to make a rocket within paper. I need a plaster and a pen and a pencil, and I need a pipe and a scale and another pipe. And I need a scissor and some paper. And now I'm going to make a rocket. I make a rule and another rule, and then I make this thing. And I need this. I put this one and this one and this one and some. I'm going to paint. Then I'm going to cut this. Now I have cut it, I'm going to rule it with a pencil. Now I have ruled it, I'm going to put a plaster. Now I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to make like this and put a and put this on here and put a plaster. Now I'm going to cut it with the scissors. Now I put it on the rocket. And now I'm going to put this costume in here. Okay, it's ready now. I'm going to flew.